Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Now we will start exercise 2.4. Again the exercise is related to the square root and but the numbers are in common fraction and mixed fraction here. Method is same, procedure is same, and these questions you have already solved in 7th class also. But we have to solve this one 49 by 64. Question number 1 by 49 by 64. Find the square root of this by prime factorization. Prime factorization के through we have to find the square root of this 49 by 64. So this can be written as square root of 49 divided by square root of 64. We have to find square root of both separately. 49, 7, 7, 1 and by 64 for 64 2, 32, 2, 16 by 2, 8 by 2, 4 by 2, 1. So here 7 multiplied by 7 for 49, for 64, how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pairing. So 7 square. So 2 square, 2 square and 2 square. Now separate this one square root here. This cancelled. Square root of 2 square, square root of 2 square and square root of 2 square. Cancel these values. So 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is 7 by 8. So square root of 49 by 64 is 7 by 8. So by this method we can find the square root of common fraction. So I solve 1 or 2 more questions here for your convenience, for your understanding. Come to the part 3, that is 196 divided by 441 square. First of all we split this one, 196 divided by square root of 441. Separately we solve this one, 196 by 2, 9, 8 by 2, 4, 9 by 7, for 441 by 3, because 2 is not possible to do. So next is 3. 3 is possible here. So 1 carry 14 by 4, 2 carry 7 by again 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 carry by 9, 7, 1. So here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, and for 441 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Make the pairs. 2 square, 7 square, 3 square, 7 square. Separate this square root for all. cancel. So 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 3 multiplied by 7. 7 7 both can be cancelled here. 2 by 3. ये 7 और 7 आप यहाँ पर कैंसिल भी कर सकते हो और ना ये भी करो तब भी ठीक है. Both the methods are correct if we don't cancel these values. So that is 14 divided by 21. This is also answer. Or here you want to cancel, even then you can cancel. यहाँ पर कैंसिल करते हो तब भी ठीक है. अगर आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ये खाली ये लिख दिया है 14 और 21, ये भी आंसर है. और अगर आप यहाँ पर इसको कैंसिल करके ये आंसर लिखते हो, even then it is okay, no problem at all. So square root of now 196 or 441 is 2 by 3. The answer is 2 by 3. Otherwise 14 or 21 is also the correct answer. So if you want to write this one, that is also correct. Now another part from this, that is fourth part, 1 whole 13 by 36. This is the square root of this one, we have to find it. This is the mixed fraction. इसको mixed fraction भी कहते हैं, whole fraction भी कहते हैं, compound fraction भी कहते हैं. So mixed fraction, whole or compound fraction, जो भी नाम दे दो इसको, तीनों नाम चलते हैं इसके. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन भी कहते हैं, कंपाउंड फ्रैक्शन भी कहते हैं, होल नंबर भी कहते हैं, होल फ्रैक्शन भी कहते हैं. First of all, we have to convert this one into a common fraction. So in common fraction, multiply 1 multiplied by 36 and plus 13. Separate this one. Now find the square root by prime factorization. For 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3 and 1. So here square root of 7 multiplied by 7 and square root of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here square root of 7 square and square root of 2 square into 3 square. Separate this one, this cancel and separate this one. 7 divided by square root of 2 square multiplied by square root of 3 square. So 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, that is 7 divided by 6. So answer of square root of 49 or 36 is 7 by 6. But keep in mind this thing, that question is in compound fraction, mixed fraction. So answer must be in the compound fraction. So we have to convert this one 7 by 6 in a compound fraction, that is 1 whole 1 by 6. This is not the exact answer of this question. This question is in compound fraction, so answer must be in compound fraction. If question is common fraction, so we write answer in common fraction. If question is decimal fraction, we write the answer in decimal fraction. So here, this is the correct answer, 1 whole 1 by 6. So this was the question of prime factorization. Now the question number 2, find the square root by division method. So by division method, question number 2, part 1, that is 144 by 225. Split this one both for separately by doing method 144. Make the pairs 1 1 1. Bring it down. Make it double. Obviously by 2. So this is the answer. Now for the next 225. Make the pair 1 2 5. Make it double by 5. So here we have 12 by 15. 12 for 144 and 15 for square root of 225. This is also a correct answer. Enough for answer. But if you want to divide, that is also a correct answer. But this is appropriate. But if you want to divide it by 3, so 4 by 5. This is also correct answer. But this is most appropriate. And this is also correct answer in this case. In this case, normally we write the answer in the lowest form. And this is also correct answer. But यहाँ पर चूंकि इसका सिंपल स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है, ये भी ठीक है. Now मैं फाइंड कर लेता हूँ आपको. Fourth part 1024 divided by 1225. So here first of all 1024 square root and square root of 1225. Find the square root separately here. 1024. Make the pair 10. So by 3 1 2 4. Bring the complete pair down. Make it double. So by 2 24. Now for this one 1225. Make the pair again by 3 3 2 5. Make it double. So by 5. So here 32 divided by 35. 32 is the square root of this value and 35 is for this. So this is the answer of this question is in common fraction. So we are writing the answer in common fraction, simple. I solve another question here. 5 whole, fifth part, 5 whole 41 divided by 64. Square root of this one. As I told you that it is in a common fraction, compound fraction. So we have to convert this compound fraction into common fraction first of all. How can we convert this one? If we have this one, so how can we convert this in common fraction? We have to multiply these two and then plus these two. So 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. So this is the answer of this. Likewise here, 5 whole 41 divided by 64. First of all we multiply these values. The multiplication of this one is 320 plus 41, that is 361 divided by 64. So in this case 361 divided by 64. Separate this one, divided by square root of 64. Find the square root separately here. 361, make the pair by 1 2 6 1. Make it double 2. So by which value we can get this answer? By 9. We can also check other values also if you want to check by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 2s are 49. 1 4 8. So 189. It is not possible. So अगर आप चेक करना चाहो तो चेक कर लो different values. 9 9 81 8 carry. 9 twos are 6. 9 twos are 18 and 8 26. So for other 64, this is one pair. So 8 eights are 64, simple as this. So here we have 19 by 8. But keep in mind again that question is in compound fraction, so it is in common fraction. Convert it into compound fraction. So when we convert, when we change, so we get 2 whole 3 by 8. Divide it simple, 19 by 2, 16, 3. So 2 whole 3 by 8. 2 whole 3 by 8. When you will multiply it, 8 twos are 16 plus 3, 19, 19 by 8. So this was the compound fraction answer. So this was the exercise 2.4. So thank you very much all of you.